Hey y'all, Stone Coyote here again. I'm gonna try and go back to the tutorial map. And really start getting the enemies figured out. Dude. Oh, I'm so bad at combat. Okay, let's look at what I got. Let's see what I'm working with. Okay, so the process is gonna be like before, I think. We know that the tutorial stage itself all correctly functions. What we don't have is enemies that correctly function. They do their job as in they statistically attack and defend and dodge and block and all that. But they don't, like actually physically do that. They just sit still and on this big old level with all of our what's its and who's its, it takes like minutes to test new combat things, so I'm gonna do like I've done before and check out the little workshop. Even the workshop's a little busy for what I want to do at the moment. Level underscore combat instruction. I know y'alls want this tutorial fully working, so you might as well start here where the weakest point is. Okay, up here. Light mixer. Bum 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 bum. Done. Okay. Landscape. Create it. Bum 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 bum. Done. Okay. World grid no longer necessary. So let us this isn't great. Facades are the basic one, right? Oops. This will be the actual facade. Graphics to come later, hopefully. I don't got them. Okay, so we need to pull him to the level. Let's go ahead and put a player start as well, of course. Oops. Oi. I see. Okay. See you. Why you important, dog? What is wrong here? thought I could set it to the level bounds. Maybe I can, and I just can't find that. Okay, in that case... where did that player start? That may just have fixed the problem. Let's find out. Yeah, so that was it. Okay. Yep. That will happen, won't it? Interesting. Okay. So this guy doesn't have animations set up, does he? Just doesn't turn to walk. How do I do this? I just do not know. How to do that. It seems like the stock one is gone. That's not it. You'll need now this needs to be updated a bit. Advanced reference, that's good. Now, player is sensed. You need to check yourself. Okay, so on perception side, I see you. Player sensed. And it should also... Oh, I see. Boop! Start timer. Okay, when the timer is started, check awareness of player and if hostile. If hostile, do that. If not hostile, simply observe. Okay. So let's test this. I see indeed. Okay, so... hostility. Integer. And hostility plus random in range. Between 0 and 5, let's say. Yeah, facades aren't exactly aggressive, right? Okay, so is it between 0 and 5? if this is less than or equal to 20, but do nothing. If it is not less than or equal to 20, oh wait, no. It observes, but if it isn't, it sets hostile on. Oi? Really? Well, that was silly and irresponsible of me. Okay. Wait. Just... start the timer. So it loops. I see, up here. See, what I'm trying to decide is whether the combat timer needs to pause until they've done the current action. That would add a bit of a turn-based element to it, though, sort of. I don't know if that's the pace we want to go for. Alright. That'll have to do for now. Okay, so start the timer, time between attacks, our player, and hostile, or not, yeah, hostile. Then it does this. If it isn't hostile, it adds hostility. Interesting. I can do that? Hold on. Oh, interesting. interesting, interesting, interesting. Oh, 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 oh. Well, I can take this a little smoother. This is gone. And the time between attacks. Set tick interval to that. There we go. And this is by default a second. As I say, watch this shit. Okay. Where'd my tick go? There it is. Untick. Make combat decision. There's insta. Okay. Make combat decision on combat decision where a player, yes. Then add hostility. Once. Oh, I need to check that. Once hostility is done. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, wow. Huh? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, come on. I haven't actually been doing anything with this? Are you serious? Oh, I really have to check that. Wait, what's this? What? You did? Oh, I see what's going on here. Yeah. Yeesh. Now I really need to check that. Hold on. Okay, that took a while. So attempt the attack there. Oh, I can do this differently. Pretty sure y'all have told me the enemies will only ever be enemies and attack, right? Okay. See, the thing is, it shouldn't approach you till it goes to attack. Right? It'll never just approach you for nice things? So, Here's how this is actually gonna happen. Activate chase. When the chase is activated, it goes to move to you. Pardon me, holy moly. Hold on, that was terribly rude. I need the timestamp here. About 30 minutes. Okay. Don't. There was an edit there that just some noises going on and really loud belch, some Timon and Pumbaa stuff, but figured I'd edit that out for y'all. Sorry about that. Okay, so where was I? Edited scenes and noises aside. Can I... just stop its movement easily, can I? What was I doing this for? Right, so that needs to... combat decision, I believe. I see. aware player. Also make a combat decision. Let's see how that works. Okay, that actually works. No. Oh. Yeah, I see. Gonna set you aside? Just do that, maybe? So what are you called? Player chase radius. That's completely out of date now, right? Yeah, I'm not. I don't think we use that anymore. I think it has been completely... Ah, I see. Okay. So this has changed a little. So the other actor is hostile. We attempt an attack, I think. Pardon? I'm just realizing how completely overhauled I've made this. I like where it's going. It's going to be a lot more reliable and adaptable. But for now... Well, actually... Hey, this is some trick kit that I just made here. How random is random? Fully random, I don't want that. This will be different. First off, go away for a minute. This is how we're doing this. Okay. Bring this in with a wild card, and this is where it gets interesting. So how am I going to do this part? I can start with a pure function. Where is the old attack determination? That's it? It was random? Okay. Oh me, oh my. Okay. So this is different. So the enemy now has to decide how it's going to act, and a sensible person would learn how to do AI blackboards, or something like that, but I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna do it the, what is assumably the hard way. Just build my logic trees here. Okay. I could have swore I had. Hold on. No, it really was random. And I had nothing. Nothing at all. thought I had more. Yo. That. Alright. It's alright. So, we get to build the combat logic from the ground up. Which means that's going to be the next video. Alright, I'll get on that one like right now so that I can just split this up into smaller uploads later.